Discover the ultimate in motorhome living. Built on the reliable Fiat Ducato, our Horizon motorhomes offer spacious interiors, efficient engines and advanced features. With a high roof, a wide body and ample storage, you'll have everything you need for your travels. Enjoy the freedom of easy manoeuvring and parking, a modern dashboard coupled with advanced safety features. With a fuel-efficient engine supported by an ultra-smooth transmission, adaptive cruise control and intelligent speed assist, you can go further on less. Whether you're a solo traveller or a couple, our Melaleuca, Casuarina and Banksia layouts provide the perfect home on wheels. Experience the comfort, convenience and reliability of a Horizon motorhome.